Hello，医生，好久不见。
好久不见. It has been great, and like there has been so many things going on, and there's so many things to be explored in New York, and I really love this city. And the thing that actually impressed me the most, or struck me most, is actually the encounter with Donald Trump, because like he's actually my classmate, and when I was there, I saw his bodyguards, and which was quite impressive, and I didn't recognize them at the first time. Well, to be honest, I think the biggest challenge of the first few weeks is the time management, because like the university and high school is pretty different. The schedule is very flexible, and I have to make up my own schedule in my free time. So I have to go to library and to go to clubs and do some fun activities. And at first, I was a little bit confused, and I didn't know where to go. But after a few weeks, I know where to go and learned a lot. I've been so many places, especially the sports hall and the dining hall, and I think there has been so many changes. And I love the flags in our sports hall, and we have won a lot of champions, which is very good. Of course, I think that my classmates or my friends and my teachers are just like my family. I still remember when I first see them today, they gave me a lot of hugs, and they even gave me 2 bottles of juices, and it's just really sweet. Definitely, I think the thing that helped me the most is the critical thinking, especially in my economics class and also like in other physics class in the projects. It requires a lot of critical thinking and independent thinking, and which is really essential for the college life. Yes, definitely. I think my short period goal is kind of to get an internship, and I'm still working on like a 2025 sovereign internship, and also to get a very good GPA at school. And for my a very long-term goal is kind of to pursue my dream of technology entrepreneurship, and that's the thing I really want to work on. Yes, of course. Actually, right now in college, I'm in a technology club, also like making some entrepreneurship and startup things, and I think that will actually definitely help me to pursue my charity goal, and also I'm helping with Jack Ma and
everyone spark and change.
also my successors of my 3D printing club. Also, like I'm still connecting with them to make sure the club is working. I believe the charm of 3D printing is never how fancy this technology is, but how beneficial and helpful this technology may be for people in need. And the purpose of designing all the toys in my 3D printing club altogether, I believe, is to promote people around me, to influence our community with what we have learned. I'll say believe in yourself, because like there's nothing you can do if you believe in yourself. And actually, before I got into CERN, I didn't actually expect that, but after like the help with the teachers and the encouragement of my classmates and also my own effort, I finally get in. So just go for it.